And my Russians arrived. My Russian bees just came by UPS, and I wanted to show you this. This is how they pack live bees. They're very, very, very upset. They have been traveling for 3 days in this box, and they had enough of the travel time. And the truck driver said he never delivered bees before, so that was a first for him. All right, you girls, welcome home. Welcome home. I hope you're gonna like it here. I have a beautiful house prepared for you. But to give you a close up, see, they're really pissed. The queen. She's good. She's alive. Miss Russian Queen. Beauty. She has a white dot. Alright. Alright. I took the cork out. The candy is inside. Alright, so to show you guys what I was trying to do. So the queen was right here on top of the bee bus, and she has a little candy inside. So I took out the cork so they could get in and eat the candy and get to their queen. The tricky part is I have only one built out comb, and these are empty. They're not built out yet, and basically I had to improvise with paper clips. So I put one paper clip here, and then I have another like that I put on this side so that her little box would not fall down, you know, so that it stays perfect, like in perfect position, you know, so that girls could get to her and get to know her and eat the candy and all of that. All right, so the queenie is secured. Now this gang needs to go inside, and that's the tricky part. All right. Feeder is empty. Oh, yeah, it was pissed. Oh, Lord. Feeder empty. Completely empty. You breathe. Right. Let's get these guys inside. My Russian ladies are doing orientation flight. They are circling around their new home. I placed some water for them if they're thirsty. They've been traveling for 3 days, and I'm sure they're very hungry and very thirsty, and they're licking whatever was left of sugar water on their from their bee bus. So that's it. So hopefully they decide to stay, and hopefully they like this yard. So we'll see, we'll find out.